years ago, I continually asked why the backup information that is in the board agenda items, it's the pink stub that you have, was not given out to the bond oversight committee members. Because this basically tells you exactly where PRAPO monies are being spent. Mr. Payne and I spent a lot of time over those years questioning the board, questioning the CBOC with regards to change orders. Nobody listened to us. Historically, with no disrespect meant to people that do this, this is what you get, which is attached to your packet, which basically shows you pictures of schools, and they're doing HVAC, and they're doing this, and they're doing that. Well, that's great, but you gentlemen are here to oversee our tax dollars. In order to do that, you need to know where the money is going, who it's being paid to, and when it was approved. And so far, you're not seeing it. And I've mentioned this to every BOC group that's ever been here, and I've mentioned it at this meeting as well. I believe this is extremely important information, and I would like to know why it is not included in your meetings. Now, it was stated that this information, if you look at it, it's dated August 19, 2013, which is Monday. That's my first issue. The second issue is, if you look at the top, the originator is Paul Woods. Paul Woods is not here. Paul Woods is out sick. So you say, well, why does that matter? It matters because of, historically, with Sweetwater and some of the issues that have happened. I stumbled across this information quite by accident when I was researching something I'm going to be bringing up a little bit later. So if this information is up there right now, why isn't it in your packet? How can I, and I mean this with all due respect, those of you who know me, you know I mean this. How can I trust you to spend my money wisely when you don't know where it's going? All you're seeing is pretty little pictures here. And you're going on tours and this, that, and other. Mr. O'Neill has construction management expertise. Mr. Marinovich, we're in charge of something a while back. Mr. Butler, you're a tax gentleman. I'm sure the new gentleman, Dr. Grubb, you're a businessman. You all have expertise. I'm looking for you to use it. So this is a major issue to me, and I would like to know why. Thank you very much.
To the chair?
Yes.
May I redirect that comment? Thank you, Mr. Chair, for your comment. Mr. Calhoun, could you answer that question for us, Chair?
Certainly. We do go through a very in-depth financial report, just during the finance report. We also have 6B, which will go through the financial summary, and it shows exactly what we're going to spend. We don't want to recapture the board items, but what we do is we provide you 6C with a list of board items. Certainly we could drill down and provide, again, a recapitulation of the entire board agenda if you like, but we don't do that. We don't want to burn too many trees, and we try to let the committee do the committee's work and the board do the board's work.
Well, yeah, I have a follow-up to that. Let me ask you this. Would it be appropriate, and I'm asking the question for education purposes, would it be appropriate for this committee to know when you're spending O-bond funds and how you're spending them?
Absolutely.
And did we know that before all this came to fruition and we found out about it now?
Yes.
When did you notify us?
You're notified through the reports we provide.
Okay, so maybe I'm not doing my homework.
Maybe a suggestion.
I need to clarify. I apologize for interrupting. I'm not asking that you get the whole board agenda. Please understand. I'm only asking that you get monies that are being spent out of PRAPO. That's all. There could be anywhere from one sheet to maybe 20 pieces of paper. But this is information I think that you all need to look at. And I'll be making it clear a little bit later as to why.
Thank you. I think some of the issues we'll talk about when we get to that actual agenda.
Yeah.
We have another public speaker.
Mine mostly has to do with the